Welcome. In front of me is an LG Wing, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode and also remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know the combination to. And to get started, you want to hold, well, let me actually first I'll lock the device so you can see that I do actually have a protection on it. So to turn it off, we will need to hold power key and volume down, because as you will see, if you try to just turn it off normally by holding power key and selecting power off, it will give you the draw, or unlike the phone, to shut it off. So to basically bypass this, hold power volume down and the power key. Let me just quickly, there we go. So volume down, power key, and you want to hold it till you see the phone shut off. It will give you a countdown. Keep holding. When the LG logo shows up, you want to let go of the power key and then hold it again. So simply LG shows up, let go of power, and then press it again. And you're gonna keep holding volume down for the entire time till you see the screen right here. And from here, simply select yes using volume keys. As you will see, touch doesn't actually work here, so we need to use volume keys. Volume down, select yes, and then power key to confirm it. Delete all user data, including LG and carrier apps. Yes. And there we go. As you can see, it now begins the process. And this will take about a minute or two. And once it's finished, we should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.